We came down here to train on the Autel ADAS calibration system, and we're super happy. Very user-friendly, does everything we need. Even a guy who doesn't do calibrations like myself can jump on and take care of it. So no complaints. We're pumped to start offering this at our shop.
This is day 2. We have one more day training for ADAS with Rob, and it's going really good. He's really knowledgeable and kind of nervous coming into it, but with what he shows and everything and like how the machine is just taking my worries away.
The training was very nice. Rob is actually a pretty good teacher. Right here, we're pretty much a hands-on front calibration on a front radar. Let's inspect.
The training here is personal, it's one-on-one, it's real, and that's nice. I mean, you get to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. You get to see different kinds of cars, different kinds of people. You get to see lots of different situations. It's very well-rounded.
I was here for ADAS training to learn how to calibrate multiple vehicles for blind spot monitors, front cameras, and radar sensors, parking sensors. I feel more prepared than I would have if I just had to jump into it.
After spending 2 days with Applied Automotive Technology, I'm very happy to go back and start passing it to my technicians so they can start learning also how to use it, and that way we can grow up. We're already talking what's next? Are we gonna get another mobile one, or are we gonna expand another location, you know? So we're very excited with the Applied Automotive. The knowledge they have and the teaching that they have and the friendly relation that they build right away with their customers, it helps you to think for the future.
We're gonna go do the dynamic portion of the calibration.
Right now I'm an apprentice, but I'm learning how to do calibrations. It was pretty cool. I think I learned a lot more than I learned by myself.
Different techniques, I think, was the main thing in coming up here, just seeing almost like shortcuts, faster way of doing things, different way of doing things. It was very positive. I would recommend to other techs or whatever, if they're in the business for something like this, to definitely come up here. It was very valuable.
We were looking not just for the equipment and the training, but we really wanted long-term business support.
Support is definitely there, and even if we don't learn it here, you can give Rob a call at any time with any question.
It's probably gonna be rocky for the first 10, 20 calibrations, but I'd say about 40% of the cars coming in have to be calibrated. So it's a lot of money leaving the door, might as well keep it in.
It's only been 1 day, maybe 8 hours of training. I'm confident I can get through it. I just need a little bit more play and practice to be 100% confident, but I'm about 70% there. We're ready to get back, get the machine ripping, and then train everyone to start taking in all the work.